Happy Sunday to everybody. Happy Easter. I hope this message finds everybody in the best of mind and spirit. I know you may not have been able to be with the one you love or family members as such, but as the song say, if you can't be with the one you love the one you with. That could not be any more true. On another note, what also couldn't be any more true is how we have to take things a lot more seriously than what we currently are doing as an organization. If you guys hadn't already heard, they've talked about it enough in the news, and they've really made the case that over the next couple of weeks, they expect there to be an uptick in corona in Philly, DC, Maryland, and Virginia here in the upcoming weeks. They had a situation on TV where they talked about a particular organization in VA that I think at the time, and this was Friday, they had 200 total cases in the state of Virginia, 63 deaths. Of the 63 deaths, 34 came from one organization, one business, one entity. It was a nursing home. Um, and to give you some perspective, 34 people that had actually died from that place. There was 90 something people that had died in the entire state. A third of those people came from the same organization. And that's not even including the people, the staff members that worked there that were currently sick. I say all that to say we have to take this thing seriously. Um, they've already said that, um, and you see, I'm going to show you my screen here. In Baltimore, and we already know that this is disproportionately going to attack us as minorities, as to disenfranchise beyond belief. So we have to be even that much more conscious and that much more sensitive to how important and how critical this situation is. If you see my screen here, you'll see this is a map from the city of Baltimore. Right now, and this was as of Friday, they have a total of 64 64 people that are confirmed with COVID in Baltimore City. The way this thing increases and spreads, it is like a match to a field of dry cotton. It's going to catch fire very, very fast. To bring this even more to home, not just in Baltimore City, but more specifically in 21215 zip code. That's 21215. A lot of our properties are in 21215 zip code. So what does that mean? We have to be that much more careful, that much more consistent with being sensitive to the needs of others and everybody else. I understand the anxiousness that people have in getting out of the house, leaving out of the house. Outside of smoking a cigarette, outside of going to a specific place that you have to go, i.e., to get groceries, i.e., to a doctor's appointment, things of that nature, stay in the house. If you're not feeling well in any way, shape, form, or fashion, say something immediately. If you have a dry cough, say something immediately. If you have a fever, that's one of the biggest indicators of the virus. Say something immediately. Okay. Um, I know some people may not have the dispo. We ordered the disposable ones, but right now we're trying to get some reusable ones. But while we're waiting for them to get here, I just want to make sure that we understand we don't have any excuses not to actually put something over our faces and hands when we walk outside that door. If you don't have anything because it's airborne for your hands, you got to put something on your face. This is a bandana. In my opinion, these look like hair ties for women. You put these on each end, fold it over. This is what I've been wearing outside. Put it over your ears. You're good to go. When you get home, take this off, take it off, and wash it. If you don't have that, guess what? You can get you a t-shirt, and I could care less what people think. I don't know how to tie this. That's going to have to suffice her right now. Put something over your face, man. This is just a regular t-shirt. It's a regular t-shirt. Who cares how crazy you look? I know I look crazy as hell right now. But guess what? If I had to go outside, and I mean had to, and I couldn't get access to one of these, I would grab a shirt, t-shirt, something to put it over our faces. I want to be very clear. I expect the staff, everybody that comes inside the houses, if you're at the offices, to take this thing as serious as possible. Given that we're an essential organization, we have to make sure we still provide the care. Nurses, um, police officers, firefighters, we're in the constant line of duty, so we have a job to do. I know this is not what we signed up for, but this is what God has put in front of us to overcome, and we will overcome it. Um, again, take this thing seriously, staff. Come into the offices, come into the office with protective gear on, your gloves and your facial cover. You go inside the houses, area managers, direct care workers, same thing for you. Um, on a different note, I believe that again, God does not bring us anywhere that He doesn't bring us to it to leave us, that He brings us to it to take us through it. And we will get through this. I implore everybody to read Psalms 91. In a time like this chapter in the Bible is amazingly accurate, I believe, for these times. Again, that's Psalms 91, the entire chapter. It won't take you long to read it, but take heed, read it, meditate on it. Again, you guys have a great rest of your Sunday or Monday whenever you get this. And let's be careful out here. We will get through this.